Meanwhile, on Capitol Hill, Republican leadership is trying to present a united front amid the feud between President Trump and Elon Musk. Could it impact getting the one big beautiful bill across the finish line? Let's check in with Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales with the latest. Erik.
Hey, good afternoon, Mark. Good evening. Republicans certainly didn't need this headache. Even House Speaker Mike Johnson is involved, trying to douse the political flames. He called Elon Musk several times yesterday, but says the billionaire never picked up. Instead, Musk returned political fire, not by phone, but as Owen mentioned, during his own communication platform. Now, Republican leader Steve Scaliz tells me it's nothing more than a temporary distraction.
It's unfortunate, but I think a lot of people said they knew it was inevitable, you know, and here we are. I mean, it's going to play out, but look, Donald Trump has got a strong vision for the country. He was elected to deliver on all these things that he's doing.
Other Republicans are also downplaying the spat.
You know, they're having a lover's quarrel. They can work it out.
You think they can work it out with no problem?
We'll see, won't we? Stay tuned.
Democrats are using this as a political platform, saying the one big beautiful bill is on shaky ground.
They're going to have some issues. I think the likelihood of it passing drops, but it doesn't mean it won't pass. I think it might look kind of different, but time will tell how much of an impact it will have.
It doesn't help. The fact of the matter is too much ego in too small space, and that makes things difficult.
Amid the back and forth, some lawmakers say Musk and Trump are misusing their influence.
They both have taken such extreme positions, and you know, they're men of great power that have tried to use that power not for the good of the people, but for their own selfish interests. And of course, when that happens, things explode.
But most Senate Republicans remain optimistic. They plan to make significant changes to the bill starting next week.
President Trump has the biggest platform on earth, and the platform that he's advocating for is to prevent that $4 trillion tax increase, fund our military, secure our border, and strengthen Medicaid.
While Democrats say this is more likely a reality TV show.
It's definitely made for Bravo. I mean, this is like the Real Housewives of Foggy Bottom. I mean, it definitely is. It's interesting. The reunion show. I mean, Andy Cohen, if you're listening, you got to produce this reunion show. I have the seating chart of this, like where's Stephen Miller going to be seated. Like, it's going to be fascinating.
That would make an interesting show. Well, another thing to consider, if the feud does continue, what effect could it have on the midterm elections later this year? Elon Musk has given millions of dollars to the Republican Party for numerous races, and recently he's pinned a new post on his X asking if it's time to create a new political party, one that will, quote, actually represent the 80% in the middle. So the saga continues.